We start by mixing the sourdough discard with water, sugar, and a little instant yeast. I love this recipe because the yeast does the heavy lifting, so you get reliable, pillowy rolls every single time. Then we add the flour, mix it until it's a shaggy dough, then let it rest for around 30 minutes. This little pause makes such a difference to the texture. Next comes the salt and butter. Knead it until the dough turns silky and elastic. You'll actually see it start to slap against the sides of the bowl. That's when you know it's ready, soft, smooth, and full of promise. Cover it and let it rise until doubled. Because we're using instant yeast, this usually takes about an hour, sometimes less if your kitchen is warm. Once it's puffed up beautifully, turn it out and divide it. You can shape it in two ways depending on what you need. For soft pull-apart rolls, divide the dough into 15 pieces at 60 grams each and nestle them into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish or even a cast iron skillet. Or if you prefer larger individual rolls, divide it into 12 pieces at around 80 grams each and space them out on a baking sheet so they bake separately with golden edges all the way around. Shape them into smooth little balls, cover again and let them rise until they're soft and puffy. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes until they're golden and irresistible. And while they're still warm, brush them generously with melted butter, or even honey butter if you like. That's the magic moment. Soft, buttery, tender rolls made from discard, but tasting like something truly special.